Hello everyone. So let's start with a new month, a new journey. So today we'll be starting with the current affairs of 1st May. So let's start. First question, which state tops among other states in providing employment under the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme? So remember the full form. Also remember that it was a changed name of National Rural Employment Act 2005. ठीक है, remember this. Also, when it has been changed, when this has been incorporated in 2006. Now, which state tops? Which state tops? It tops. It is topped by Chhattisgarh. Now, for Chhattisgarh, you should remember who is the CM. CM is Bhupesh Baghel. Okay, remember this. Next, which international group has launched access to COVID-19 tools? So, access to COVID-19 tools has been launched by G20. So remember it will have for 220. The G20 summit will happen in Riyadh in November. Which of the following has become the first government hospital in India to successfully launch CPT treatment for COVID-19? So it is King Georgia Medical University, and this is in Lucknow. Which organization has approved 1.5 billion USD to India to combat COVID-19? So remember, don't confuse when there is 1.5 billion. This is when there is 1.5 million. This is ADB, and when it is $1 billion, so it is World Bank. So recently, World Bank has also approved 1.5 billion loan, and recently, like 2 days before, 1 day before, ADB has also approved this loan to India. Now, which bank has approved a loan worth rupees 346 million, that will be around 2,616 crore for Maharashtra, to provide better power connection in rural areas? This has been approved by ADB, Asian Development Bank, and the headquarters in Philippines. Who was appointed as the chairperson of the Public Enterprises Selection Board (PESB) by Appointments Committee of Cabinet? So it is Rajiv Kumar. PNB Housing Finance Limited appointed an independent director as the MD and CEO for 8 months. Interim means temporary. Remember this word. Now, where is the headquarter of PNB Housing Finance Limited? So remember, this is New Delhi. Who is the appointed guy? Is Neeraj Vyas. Now, recently a book was released written by Uma Bala Subramaniam, and it was published by Rupa Publications. The book's name was Sayajirao Gaikwad III. Now, tell me who is upon whom the book was based on. It was Maharaja of Baroda. Which day is celebrated as International Day of Dance? It is 29th April. Which government has launched Jagana Vidya Devana? So it has been launched by Andhra Pradesh government, whose CM is, you all know, remember, YSR Jagan Mohan Reddy. Telangana, you should also remember, whose CM is K. Chandrasekhar Rao. For Tamil Nadu, it is E. K. Palla Swami. Chhattisgarh, you all know, Bhupesh Baghel, and for Maharashtra, you all know, it is Thackeray. Next, which state has launched the Jeevan Amrit Yojana? It has been launched by Madhya Pradesh government. Which IIT professor develops software To detect COVID-19, it is IIT Roorkee. As per CRISIL report, which state tops in total installed renewable capacity? It is Karnataka. Which bank will buy 20%, 29% stake in Max Life Insurance for rupees 1,600 crores? That is Axis Bank. Low cost mechanical ventilator Rudhar has been developed by, yes, it is IIT Bombay. Which state government has launched COVID Pharma? Which state law has launched COVID Pharma? It is Andhra Pradesh. Government has launched COVID Pharma to trace buying people who are buying medicines for fever cold, so that they can also trace for COVID. Now, Vodafone Idea has tied up which platform to help individuals, small business to earn an additional income of around rupees 5,000 per month. It has been tied with Paytm. So that's all for today. We'll bring you everyday news. We'll bring you every news, and keep practicing, keep loving us. And if you want that we should bring more and more, so please subscribe to the channel. Please, it is a request to all of you who are watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. All the best.